Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Open the crypto. Com app and tap Sign Up. Enter your email and choose a strong password, then enable two-factor authentication, 2FA for account security. Complete identity verification by uploading a government ID and a clear selfie. Verification typically takes 3-5 business days depending on volume. While waiting, set biometric login or a strong passcode and review app permissions. Keep your recovery details written offline and never share one-time codes. These steps create the baseline security and compliance required before you can. After verification, open wallet and select Fiat, then choose the currency you want to hold and create that Fiat wallet within the app. To fund via bank transfer, choose Bank Transfer, follow the on-screen instructions to link your bank account, and authorize via your bank. ACH transfers usually take 3-5 business days. For faster access, add a debit or credit card under payment methods and confirm small temporary authorizations shown on your statement. Always check the currency code and supported banks before proceeding to avoid delays. Once your linked bank transfer clears, view the Fiat balance in your Fiat wallet and use Trade to convert Fiat into crypto at the displayed market rate. Confirm amounts and network before executing. To withdraw Fiat back to your bank, open Withdraw, select Fiat, choose Bank Transfer, enter the amount, and confirm. Withdrawals generally arrive in 3-5 business days. Protect your wallet by enabling withdrawal whitelisting, turning on biometric approvals, and keeping two-factor authentication active. Regularly review activity logs and update app and device software for ongoing security.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.